Hey, Pony, you having fun in there? Oh, she's so brave. She's in the pool. Calvin, go get the ball. Go get the ball, Calvin. Pony, you gonna come out? Get the ball. Go get it, Calvin. Go get it, Calvin. Get it, Calvin. Good boy, Calvin. Good boy. Pony, you gonna do that? Come on, Pony. Come on, sweetie. Hi, honey. What are you doing? Calvin, let me see the ball. Let me see the ball. Oh, give me the ball. Give me the ball. What you doing, little girl? A pony. What is that? What is that? Oh, it's the first time you've seen the waterfalls on. Calvin, come here. Give me that ball. I'm gonna get that ball. I'm gonna get it. I got it. I got it. Wait, all right. Okay, ready? You ready, Calvin? Go get it. Yeah, Calvin. Good boy. Good boy. You are such a good swimmer. The ball is bigger than your head, Calvin. You can't see through it. Good boy.